guys, welcome back to my channel. Ito po si Chika Jing, nagbabalik sa inyo. Ngayon, andito po ako sa Bahamas. Nag-cruise po kami ng asawa ko. First time cruiser po kami. So, I'm just gonna give you some update kung ano yung experience namin mag-asawa. Pero ayusin ko muna yung camera ko. So pagsampa ko po ng barko, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko, how do they operate this big, ship? Like, it's a big operation, guys. Magmula sa napakababang posisyon, magmula sa napakababang posisyon hanggang sa mataas na posisyon. Talagang team effort lahat sila. So, ang maganda niyan, marami tayong mga kababayan na nakita ko at nakausap ko mismo at in-interview ko rin sila. Mamaya ipapalabas ko. So, pero ang topic po natin ngayon ay ang mga kabayan natin na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. So, ang init po dito, mga kachika. So, sino-sino nga ba sa inyo may mga asawa o may mga anak na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa o nagtatrabaho sa barko? So, alam niyo po mga kachika, mahirap po na mapahiwalay sa mga kapamilya natin, lalong-lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa barko. Nakita ko po kung paanong hirap. Grabe, salute po ako sa mga nagtatrabaho sa barko, sa mga kabayan natin kasi wala po silang day off. Matutulog lang sila bago magtatrabaho na uli. Meron ako nakausap, naglilinis siya ng mga kwarto, ng cabin. So, I'll see you, baby. So, naglilinis siya ng cabin, guys. 22 cabins ang assigned sa kanya. In-interview ko po siya, and then I will post it also. So, 22 cabins, imagine nyo, mga kabayan, ang dami nyo, lilinisin mo yung room. Kasi nga, nung kinausap ko siya, siguro mga 6 na ng hapon yon, and then, kinabukasan ng 6 ng AM, gising kagad siya, naglilinis na kagad. Grabe, so non-stop po ang trabaho ng mga nagtatrabaho sa barko. Imagine niyo po, tapos yung isang na-interview ko, yung isang nakausap ko, sabi niya, nako ma'am, yung iba nga nagre-reklamo pa, hindi nila na-appreciate yung trabaho namin. So, totoo naman. Meron naman mga ganun talaga na hindi nila na-appreciate o hindi nila alam kung ano yung hirap na trabaho katulad nung simpleng trabaho na waiter. Hindi simple yon, di ba? So, every work sa barko o kahit saan man, talaga namang pinaghihirapan mo yun. Siyempre, team effort nga eh. So, yun nga sabi niya, meron daw mga nagre-reklamo, meron daw ganun-ganito. Yun yung mga taong hindi kontento. Yun yung mga taong high maintenance ba. Pero, ako nakaranas ako, naging housekeeping ako, kaya pagka nag-check-in ako kahit saan, I make sure na talagang malinis pa rin yung kwarto ko, hindi dahil para wag na nilang linisin, kundi dahil para hindi madagdagan yung trabaho nila. So, kaya sa inyo mga kabayan na may kapamilya sa barko, advice ko lang, make sure na you don't take advantage of your family kasi pinaghihirapan din nila lahat yung kinikita nila, or let's say hindi naman sa take advantage, I mean yung para bang appreciate them more kasi talagang mahirap. Una, malayo sa pamilya, pangalawa, marami silang nakakasalamuhang iba't ibang tao na hindi magaganda yung ugali. At saka, siyempre namimiss din nila yung ating kultura, yung mga kaibigan nila, mga kapamilya nila. So, try to understand them minsan. Pero, Sa isang banda, meron naman ako na interview na sila, lahat naman sila gusto nila kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Nakakarating sila sa iba't ibang iba't ibang lugar, iba't ibang bansa. So they experience and explore some other countries too, and it's a good advantage for them kasi libre yung mga kachika. Iinom lang ako mga kachika. Yung labi ko namaga kasi na-infect yata. Dry kasi, so pinil ko yung skin, tapos medyo hindi maganda kinalabasan, kaya ganito yung lips ko. Pauwi na kami bukas, pero nagkaganto pa yung lips ko. So ang hirap mag-vlog kasi dalawa yung channel ko, so ang hirap na hindi ipakita yung mukha mo. Pero it's okay, so show must go on. Pero guys, yung napanood kong singer, Pilipina siya, ang galing. To the highest level talaga, ang galing. Nagpa-picture din ako sa kanya. So, first time cruiser kami. Pag sumampa ka ng barko, mga kachika, you will feel so special kasi yung treatment nila sa inyo, talaga namang to the highest level. Lalo na mga Pilipino. So VIP ang dating namin kasi nga mga kabayan natin kung magtrato sa isa't isa, 'di ba? Napaka generous nila talaga. Hindi ko na ikukwento kung ano yung Pero kachika, kung magko-cruise kayo, it's worth it the money kasi imagine niyo kung magbabayad kayo ng for example yung flight nyo, tapos yung hotel nyo, yung pagkain nyo, kung magpa-fly kayo isuma nyo yon sa gastos nyo sa fly nyo, tapos sa bayad nyo sa cruise, yung pagkain kachika, libre. Ilan ang complementary na restaurant doon, may garden buffet sila, may tatlong restaurant yata na libre ang pagkain. So, talagang you will get sick by eating kasi libre nga. So, and then, pagdaong nyo sa port, makikita nyo yung beautiful places na talaga namang pinagmamalaki ng tawag doon ng kanilang bansa, yung bansa na pupuntahan nyo. For example, katulad nitong Bahamas, ito yung island na sarili lang nila, Norwegian, I don't know if they own this, but this is their private island that only the people that board on their ship, yun lang po ang makakapunta rito. So this is Norwegian properties, something like that, private island of Bahamas. So para sa mga kabayan natin na bago lang magko-cruise, ang ibig ko sabihin, makakatipid kayo kung magko-cruise kayo kasi ilang din bansa o lugar na mapupuntahan nyo, then libre pa ang pagkain, basta gigising na lang kayo, kakain, may swimming pool, tapos kung gusto nyo magsusugal, pero this is not for everybody. Kasi may mga tao rin na hindi naman mahilig magsugal, hindi rin mahilig magparty. Kumain, mahilig, pero kasi pag hindi kayo dadaong sa port, mga ka-chika, doon lang kayo sa loob ng barko, tapos, siyempre, ang gagawin nyo doon, lalabas kayo, magpa-party, magsusugal, o kakain. So, yun lang activity nyo, tapos magsiswimming. So, I mean, this is not for everybody also. Kasi kung talaga lang naman na hindi kayo mahilig magsugal, hindi kayo mahilig magparty, hindi rin kayo mahilig mag-swimming. So, this is not for you. Kumbaga, yun nga mga kachika. Pero, saludo ako talaga. Gusto ko lang sabihin na saludo ako sa mga kabayan natin na talaga namang nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa at sa barko. So, mga kabayan natin dyan, mga kachika, maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang talagang sabihin na mabuhay ang mga Pilipino, ang gagaling kahit saan mapunta. Imaginein mo, out of 1,600 or 1,700 employee na nagtatrabaho doon sa barko, 700 ang Pilipino. So, like, probably mga 70% siguro or 50, no, 60. Kasi hatiin mo yun sa yung, let's say, 700 na Pilipino na, yung 1,000 ibang lahi yun. So, napakaraming Pilipino, mga kachika. Ang galing talaga. Saludo ako sa atin. So, yun lang po mga kachika. Sa susunod po, sana supportahan niyo yung channel ko. Kung ano man po gusto niyo yung topic na itapik ko, itatapik ko. Ang sakit na ng mata ko mga kachika kasi alam niyo yun, sa init, tsaka sa buhangin, ang sakit. So, kung nasan man po kayo sulok ng mundo, mabuhay kayo, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi, magandang araw, magandang umaga sa inyo mga kachika. Ito lang po ang aking chika para sa mga nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa at lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa barko. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Salamat po at don't forget to comment, to like, and share. At saka wala po akong chika sa mga artista kasi hindi po ako nakakapanood. Walang wifi, tawag doon, 1 week kaming nawala. So mga kachika, kung ano man ang chika sa mga showbiz balita, paki-comment lang. May nabasa ako si Bea daw may lalaking bago, may boyfriend na bago. So ano yun, parang nagulat ako doon. Nagbasa ako ng konting comment, mga kachika. Pumasok yung wifi. Alam mo, ang daming negative comment para kay Bea. Nakakadismaya. So, mga kachika, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? So, kayo nang bahala. Paki-comment na lang kung anong mga bali-balita. Salamat po uli dito. Ito si Chika Jing. So, ate, ilang taong ka na rito? Nag-work?
18. I started 2008.
18. Wow! Congratulations.
Minus 2024. Ilan yun?
Wow! Ang tagal nyo na rito, Ate Arlene. Hi! Ang loka. Ako, Jingle po.
Jingle.
Yan, tagal na ate ha.
Enjoy po.
Salamat. Salamat. Ang galing si ate. Ayun mo. Galing. Ay, ang ganda po dyan. Ang ganda mo. Para kang nasa Enchanted.
Asan po si sir?
Ando, naliligo. Mamaya babalik kami. I-check ka o dali. Ay, wow. Ang ganda.
Hello, sa po mga friends si Buwa.
Hey! Mua. Nasaan na si Washi?
Si Buwa.
So, ilang taong ka na kuya dito?
Sa NC, Norwegian, tatlong taon na po.
3 years na.
Apo,
Tapos dito sa cruise.
Sa ibang cruise, 4.
Diyan, tagal na kuya. Taga saan ka sa atin?
Sa Laguna rin po,
Saan sa Laguna?
Binyan.
Wow, malapit sa amin. Santa Rosa lang kami kuya. May asawa ka na?
Opo,
Anak?
meron po.
Batiin mo sila.
Hello po sa mga anak ko.
So, sige, baka mamaya mapanood ka nila. Sige, salamat kuya. Salamat. Room steward that I'm gonna interview. So, what's your name?
Angel Avelino po.
Angel. She's from the she's from the Philippines, guys. And then how long have you been working here?
Almost 8 years in Norwegian po.
How do you like it?
I like it very much po. Kasi mas okay guys sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Yeah. How many rooms you cover?
It's 22 every day. 22 rooms from 8 until 6 p.m. po.
It's amazing. 22 rooms, guys. Could you imagine that, cleaning all these rooms? But I salute with them because I used to be a housekeeping. So, yeah.
In the Philippines po?
In America, Texas, I used to be in housekeeping there. So, and then you don't have help with
No,
just
only me alone from 8 until 6. Then we finish 22 cabins. Then we have to prepare everything, the trolley. You have to throw the dirty towels, the linens, and everything as well.
Oh my God!
And then preparing for the next day duty.
oh
yes.
gosh, oh my God! It's just like every day routine.
Yes.
Yeah. So when I came like the first day, I told my husband I salute the people who works here. It's a very hard job.
And it's a lot of Filipinos on board, as you can see.
Yeah, I heard 700.
Yes. Almost 700 crew are from
Wow.
the Philippines.
Like mostly,
And most are also from Asia.
wow, 60% probably, huh?
Yeah,
And-
60% are from Asia and the rest are from Europe and US.
Wow, it's amazing. It's a kind of amazing operation here. And how many vacation or
Months.
in a year? How many?
So our contract is 18 months to 9 months, and then after we go on vacation from 2 to 3 months, and then after another contract, like a cycle,
Oh wow. Okay,
to
guys.
probably 2.5 or 3 months vacation.
And there you have it, Miss Angel. Thank you so much for that short interview, and I will talk to you later, and I will talk to other crew also. Thank you so much.
So thank
Say
you.
hi to your mom or your.
Hi, Ma, from the
Yeah.
Philippines. See you
Yeah.
soon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the vlog. Click like.
Welcome to my
subscribe.
channel. May interview ako dito. I'm gonna have an interview with this fabulous employee here. His name is Henry. What do you do for here in your position?
So, before I'm the cruise director staff, we are in charge of doing.
Pause
What do
muna.
you call this?
Pause.
Ay, may
Pause. Teka lang.
Ay, there's a microphone.
Sige na habang naglalakad.
So, we are in
Okay, there you go. So, what I do on board. Teka muna. Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're here in Norwegian cruise. It's Breakaway, right? The name of the cruise is Breakaway, and I have the fabulous employee here. His name is Henry. So, what do you do here, Henry?
So, before I.
Hi, hello. Can they hear me? Before is
Before I'm the cruise director staff, we are in charge of hosting activities like game shows, trivias, pool games, and then we're always in the party dancing. So we're like I'm one of the hype squad of the cruise.
okay.
But right now, I'm entertainment admin. I'm doing the freestyle daily or the schedule every day for the guests. So that's my main job here.
Wow. So how long have you been working here?
On this contract, it's already 5 months, but the whole thing in the cruise line, like almost 3 years now.
3 years now. Wow, how do you
Yes.
like it?
I love it. Yes, I really love it.
Do you have intention to move up, or what position do you wanna move up?
Actually, I really wanted to perform on the stage like a cast member. So that's my goal. But yeah, something like that. But on my next contract, I'm going back as cruise director staff, like being the hype squad of the cruise. So that's the near staff. They're just the staff. Staff.
Okay.
So my next contract will be on Sky, Norwegian Sky, from September to March.
Okay, I'm so proud of our
Oh,
Pinoy, our
thank
fellow
you
Filipino
po.
here, and thank you for answering all the questions, and we hope to see you again.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks. Oh, say hi to your mom.
Hi, Ma. I love you. I miss you. Take care, Mama. Chup chup.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. And we are now in, what deck is this? Deck 13. We're still in the deck 13. We're gonna go eat, and I'll see you guys later.
Okay. First of all, I need to know what's your name and your position.
Hi, sir. My name is Kathleen. Yes, I work as a restaurant hostess. Yes.
Thank you, Kathleen. Thank you for your time. Now, how long have you been with Norwegian Cruise Lines?
Last February was my 10th year in the company. So it's 10 years already.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. Now, what do you like most about working here at NEF?
It's well, honestly, it's the money because you don't get it like the salary you're getting here is different from home, and you get to travel from places to places, you go to, for free, traveling for free. So that's what I love about it.
Very nice. And last not least, though, what is your vacation time like when you're so busy on a cruise line?
Oh my god, my vacation time, like, I do a lot of sleeping and I go a lot of spending time with my mom. Yes, because I'm single and
Very good. There you go. Well, very well. Thank you very much.
Yes,
And you
it's
have
my
a great
pleasure.
evening. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
How long have you been working here? First of all, what's your name?
Hi, good morning. My name is Raynel. I'm one of the restaurant steward here in NCL Breakaway, and I'm one of I'm the washing guy of this cruise. So I've been with the company for almost 4 months now. I'll be celebrating my fourth month on June 25th, and this is my first contract, and hopefully to have more to
You
come.
will have more. Lots more. So what do you like your vacation? Is it like how many months or?
So after 8 months, I'm gonna be having my vacation for 2 months back in the Philippines, and I'm very excited to go to different places in the Philippines as
Where
well.
are you from in the Philippines?
I'm from Pampanga, basta Kapampangan, manyaman.
Hi to your family.
Hello Philippines, hello Pampanga. How are you? Oh, miss you.
Washing Chanel.
Yes.
I got it wrong spelling. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Chanel.
Don't forget to wash your hands, guys.
Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ang lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho sa barko.
Yes, sir.
Thank